Hey, I am Nurse Meg. I've been a nurse for 14 years and I'm here to help you become a better nurse. This is inside of my new nurse survival guide, and I want to talk about the ICU section and how this section can really help new grads that are going into ICU, or maybe you've been a nurse for a little while and now you're transferring into the ICU. All of this has common drips, the clinical indication for them, also kind of the regular types of dosages. I also have how to initiate CVVH, what the machines are going to look like, how to troubleshoot the alarms and things like that. Also how to set up A-lines and what the equipment is going to look like. It's literally everything that you need to know before you get into the ICU, especially if you're intimidated by the type of report that they give, or ECMO, or what the machines are going to be like, or troubleshooting the alarms, or why things don't work, or understanding how things work. I got you, totally. Go check out my new nurse survival guide, specifically the ICU section.